Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can block someone on the WeChat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open the WeChat app. So once you open the WeChat app, all you need to do is click on the contacts option. So after you click it on, you will have to choose one of your friends whom you want to get blocked. So once you select a person, you need to simply press on the three buttons on the right hand side of the corner. Once you do so, you can get the block option right there. Now you need to simply click on the block option and press on the OK note. So once you do this, the person will be blocked from your account. So this is how you block someone on WeChat. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.